The master to inspire your weekly painting is Edvard Munch, a leading Norwegian painter known for his famous painting of the Scream, a symbolic painting that is the icon of modern anxiety and alienation. Edvard Munch, who lived between the years 1863 and 1944, is one of the most renowned artists of our time. In his artworks, Munch explores themes of death, love, fear, sex, and longing in a symbolic way. He expresses such disturbing concepts as death and insanity, themes that haunted him for much of his life. Paintings of Munch are so powerful that they cause sensations among the viewers, but not everyone loves them. They are often themes that function as symbols of universal significance. Munch creates a kind of fusion between subjects that he sees around him and his own psychological, emotional, and spiritual perception. In the symbolic painting of the Scream, Munch defines how we see our own age filled with anxiety and uncertainty. The genderless, twisted, fatal-faced creature with mouth and eyes wide open in a cry of horror stands where the sky is turned to blood with hostility. In Love and Pain, we see a man in anguish, arms around his love while she tries to comfort him by laying her face on his shoulder. In The Dance of Life, Munch shows an innocent, lonely woman in white, a sensual woman dancing with a man, and a suffering woman in black. He uses these figures to show that life is not always a joyful dance. In The Sick Child, Munch paints a moment before the death of his 15-year-old sister from tuberculosis. The painting symbolizes a deeply painful event that he uses often in his art. The dying girl is shown with a haunted expression, clutching hands with a grief-stricken older woman who seems to be comforting her. In the painting of Ashes, Munch symbolizes a cold relationship and separation between two lovers after their hot sexual activity is over. In the symbolic composition of Melancholy, Munch shows an imaginary but objective view of a jealous man who is seen cause of what has brought him melancholy. In the mural of the sun, Munch extends the image of the sun from a partial to an embracing role to reflect his view that the sun is indeed God shining from the heavens upon land and sea with its rays reaching out to all eternity. Edvard Munch grew up in a household surrounded by life-threatening illness and premature deaths. He lost both his parents before he reached adulthood and was forced to live with his older sister, who was also very sick and died prematurely. Her death led Edvard to be hospitalized with depression, which affected him all throughout his adult life. He struggled with isolation and chronic illness. This ultimately resulted in the creation of many canvases that reflected on human suffering. An explosion of a neighborhood ammunition factory caused his vision to fail him in his early 70s. Edvard Munch never got married. He called his paintings his children and hated to be separated from them. For the last 25 years of his life, living alone and isolated on his estate outside Oslo, he surrounded himself with artworks. He died at the age of 80 in his residence. Munch had a profound effect on subsequent painters in Europe and the United States, even as his particular style dated quickly after the First World War. Today, Munch's troubled life has inspired many people with the ability to capture emotions through symbolic imagery.